The sun finally coming out here in Asheville, kind of a hopeful sign here as we mark the anniversary of Helene. Helene was unprecedented. Hurricanes like this don't hit the mountains. So when it did, no one really knew what to do. So they had to rely on lessons they'd learned through other means. There aren't instructions.
I've done beets twice, canned them.
Or handwritten recipes.
Everything. All my canning I learned from her.
Everything that Jane Whitson Peterson learned about food, work, and life.
You want a grilled cheese or do you want a tuna sandwich or?
Tuna sandwich.
Was taught to her by her parents.
Yeah, this place is special. Because I was raised right here. I slept on this counter as a baby.
Her dad, O.C., passed away 25 years ago. Her mom, Parzady,
She's the queen. She's the queen bee around here.
is 97.
Well, yeah, I guess.
Queen bee, and Jane is a worker bee? Going back and forth all day from her mom's house to their family's furniture store next door in Green Mountain, North Carolina.
It's our home. This is our home, really.
The home she knew changed on September 27th, 2024.
It's unreal. It really is. It just feels like it's years away.
You know that's something I don't remember much about, except that I know that it was short at the time.
She was with her mom when the North Toe River started to rise. The water got higher and higher until Jane, Parzady, and Jane's brother rushed up the stairs to the second floor of their store. The moment they hit the top step, the windows broke and the water came in.
It sort of rushed in on us.
He saved us. He really did. It was him. It wasn't our time to go.
The cash register doesn't work the same. Somehow, there's still mud no matter how hard Jane cleans. Hurricane Helene changed them all, but also reminded Jane of another life lesson Mom taught her.
It's still beautiful, the river, the trees. It's still beautiful.
That no matter the storm, nor the circumstances, look for blessings.
Very blessed.
They are there, even in the ugly and unknown.
To know that there are so many good people still in the world.
Today, a year later, it's the moments with Mom in the sun, the flowers that are blooming, their family business that still stands. There are more blessings than she can count.
There you go. Now, it's got them brand new pickles on them. Here. Now you go.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.